The rain falls down in silver lines, like tears I couldn't hide. Your voice still echoes in my mind, but you're not by my side. The streets are empty, cold and wide, just like this heart of mine. I'm standing where you left me, frozen in that time. Every drop keeps calling your name, but nothing feels the same. It's just another rainy day, and I'm breaking in the rain. All the words we couldn't say are falling down again. The sky is crying over me. Since the moment you walked away, I'm lost inside the storm on this lonely rainy day. I trace your shadow on the glass, it fades before my eyes. I tried to hold on to the past, but love slowly dies. If tears could bring you back to me, I'd let them